everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of new upcoming luxury segment Brigade Yelahanka by Brigade Group, located in Yelahanka, New Town, Bangalore. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the main buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 14 acres having 12 towers, with each tower having ground plus basement plus 13 to 14 stories, each story having 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residences. Talking about the location and connectivity of this project is located bang opposite to RMZ Galleria Mall, Yelahanka, North Bangalore, with metro station and railway station at a distance of 3 minutes, RMZ Galleria Mall at a distance of 2 minutes, and Phoenix Mall of Asia at a distance of 5 minutes drive. Multiple tech parks like Brigade Opus, Brigade Macdon, Northgate Tech Park, Amazon and many more at a distance of 10 minutes only. Talking about the amenities of this project has 45 plus amenities. That includes one clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool, open gym, kids play area, yoga lawn, campfire zone and many more. Apart from all these, Brigade Group has come up with the luxury apartment project with serene green view without compromising in quality and space, and additionally all the apartments are Vastu compliant flats. Last part is that this project is located right in the heart of city, major IT hubs and many commercial developments. Talking about the area, this project, as we told you, this project comes with 3.5, 4 BHK premium residences with 3 BHK ranging from 1620 to 1700 square feet and also 3 BHK ranging from 1820 to 2000 square feet, 3.5 BHK ranging from 2100 to 2250 square feet and 4 BHK ranging from 2700 to 2250 square feet. Talking about the booking process, the clients can come and visit the sales office and the sales team will explain the complete project overview, will tell you the plans and pricing and will also tell you the loan offers available. And then if the client like the project, they can book by paying a token amount. Also, there will be special price discounts for EOI customers. Hey everyone, this was the teaser of new launch luxury segment Brigade Yelahanka by Brigade Group, located in Yelahanka, New Town, Bangalore. If you have any queries related to brochure, pricing or payment schemes, or if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register yourselves on housey.com or can contact us by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients from UK, US, UAE and Europe can also contact us on the same link. At last, if you want to watch more such teaser videos and want more details on the project, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey.